How to allow camera access on Snapchat when there is no camera option. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, scroll down the notification panel. Now find camera access button. If you don't find the option here, tap on three dots and click on edit tiles. Now tap on camera access and go back. Now find camera access and make sure to enable the toggle. Now once you're done, go back and tap on settings at the top right corner. Now scroll down and click on apps. Then go to app management. Now find Snapchat. Now tap on Snapchat. Now go to permissions. Now tap on camera. Now change from don't allow to allow only while using the app. Now once you change that, it will give camera access to Snapchat. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.